In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Disney Plus cannot cast to TV. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that your phone and TV are connected to a same Wi-Fi network and try restarting your router. If that is not the case, you might need to update the Disney Plus application to the latest version and update your phone, tablet, and TV streaming devices as well. You want to simply go ahead and try restarting your devices once, close the application and restart your phone or tablet. Also, check your cast compatibility. Make sure that the TV or device you're using has Google Cast or Chromecast built in. Also enable cast on your TV device. Make sure that the cast feature is enabled on your TV or device settings. If nothing works, then you have no other options but to try to contact Disney Plus support, which is going to be, you have no other options to if nothing works, you have no other options but to contact Disney Plus support at help.disneyplus.com. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.